If you have a smart meter, you can check the balance of gas and electricity on the display. Once you top up and credit your gas or electricity meter, it can sometimes take up to 30 minutes for your payment to be credited and the display on your smart meter to show this. How to credit your meter with emergency credit. If your supply goes off, you may have run out of credit. Your meter may show a blank display. Press button A and it will bleep to show the vend mode and supply on the display. Press button B and it will bleep each time you press it to scroll through the display. The meter will display to show if there is no or low money credit, cost now, and days left. To credit the meter to run on emergency credit, press B and then 7 on the keypad. The display will confirm to show that £15 emergency credit has been selected. Your emergency credit of £15 will eventually run down when you are using it. When you top up next time, you will need to pay back the emergency £15 on top of your credit payment.